Welcome back guys to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make this lower third for YouTube or like any Twitter page or something that you guys need for yeah, so let's get right into it. Okay, to get started, so you guys can see I have my own right here. So it has a YouTube logo, it says subscribe if you enjoy, and so I'll just do it on the same one. So first off, go to your rounded rectangle tool and make a square. Hold shift to make it about, you can make it as big as you want and change the color to red so it looks like that. And for the radius of the corners, just make it however big you want. So about that big you guys want. So this big. Go to Google and search up YouTube logo. And choose one which is white background. So if you choose, use this one. Drag it to your desktop, put it into Photoshop, and go to your magic wand tool, select the white and rasterize that, and press delete, Control D, and double click on this, go to color overlay, make it white, Control T, make it smaller, and make it fit onto the thing. Okay, so next up you have to make this rectangle. Okay, so get bigger, and go to your rectangle normal one. No, use this one again and make it red again. Just make it a bit smaller, the actual like about this big. Make it red, and you can make the should be enough. So align it in the middle. And get use the same rectangle as this, but use a rectangle tool, just the rectangle. Zoom in and make it at where the edge, like the rounding finish, and make the rectangle and make the color gray, a bit like a dark gray like this one, where it's extended all of the whole thing. It should look like this. What's this? So next up you need your text. Go to your text panel thing and type in subscribe. Just choose like a really simple font, one that actually looks. So I'll just use that big. Bit stretched, but who cares? If you enjoy. I'll just change it to the one I just used again, not this one. This. Yeah, that looks good. So I'll just hide these layers, hide that, and export this, or save it, save as, onto my desktop, lower thirds, save, and let's go into Premiere Pro. Okay, so once you're in Premiere Pro, double click this and import it. That'll ask you if you want to merge all the layers or individual, press individual, so you can like keyframe them. That'll be here, and right click, new item sequence. I'll just make mine 720 at 60 FPS. Open this, and so the first thing we need is our, wait, why is it of these? I just bring in this, put it around here, and then bring in your logo as well. Let me just nest these up. Right there, and nest so once that's done, just make it around seconds. Oh, not really, but we do that after, so let's make it full. So next up, we have to bring our red rectangle in, and we have to keyframe this to the top, and then bring our gray one in. Isn't this working? Sure, the grey one is on top of the red one. That's how we put it in our Photoshop document. There, up to here. So next up, need our text. Subscribe, and the, okay, so bring this here down, and I'll just nest these as a little text. Okay, so once we have all our stuff, let me just move the text. Okay, first off, let's hide all these except the logo. So for the starting, you have to bring it to the side, or you can make it come up, or just make it slide in this way. So 60, and it's off, and press this keyframe. So at the start it'll be no way, like it'll be on the side, and then it's gonna, so the sequence is actually right now 4:58, 59. So let's just get these and make it. That's enough. The logo, and then let's say around here, I'm gonna make it move into here, right there. So if we play that, it's gonna move in, but move the keyframe faster, and so yeah, like that. Select all the keyframes, right click and press ease in. That'll just smoothen it. Okay, so next up we need our red rectangle. Let's keep the logo unhidden, and for this we're going to use a mask. So mask basically is like this. Either use the mask or use the crop. In the effects, crop, and drag that onto the red one. So let's say the right. So at the start it'll be 80% crop. At 20 milliseconds it stops moving. So for the red one, we're gonna make it right here. We're gonna make it right, so 80%. Then around here, make the 0, just like extends out. Make it 100%. You actually can't see it. Make that a bit slower. Okay, so once that's done, just find wherever you want the gray to come in. So 1, 2, 3 keyframes, and unhide the gray. So right here, I have it. Another crop. Left one, that right there. It's gonna be $80. Oh no, we have to decrease. 70. Too much. 70. So right there. And then let's see when it stops moving at 108 it stops moving. So if we play that, oh I didn't press. Okay. All of that again. So right here, 74, and then at 109, I'll make it crop. Okay, that. And what did I just see? Right click, auto busy. Too fast. So yeah, right there. Ease in. So keyframing is like a lot of restarting, but sometimes it just messes up and you have to redo it all again. continuous. And next up we need our text. Once it stops at okay, that should be good. So it stops moving. The last one is here at 51. So the text should be hidden. Click this and it should be 100% there. 0 here. Up. And then they should all disappear. The opacity at the end thing. Keep it 1% at full. The end. Okay, so 450. It's 100%. Let's see how that turns out. It's not too bad for a pretty rushed tutorial, because I have to go somewhere after this, so yeah. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoy, and yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you guys enjoyed this. See ya.